Video opens with the attorney sitting in front of a camera, speaking to the audience. Good morning, how are you today? My name is I Win Cases, and I am a personal injury lawyer. Today, I want to talk to you about the importance of safety in car dealerships. The attorney walking into a car dealership, wearing a suit and carrying a briefcase. He sits down with the owner of the dealership, and explains to him why he is there. I understand that you are the owner of this dealership and that a recent tragic incident has happened involving one of your salespeople. The family of the victim has filed a lawsuit against you for negligence, and I have been asked to conduct a deposition with you to gather more information. Attorney and the dealership owner sitting at a table, having a conversation with one of the salespeople. Now, let me ask you, how do you feel about the dealership not having anything in place for your safety during test drives? Have you ever felt unsafe during a test drive due to a lack of safety measures? What safety measures do you think should be in place for test drives? Dealership owner looking uneasy and hesitant to hear the answers to the questions. I understand these are difficult questions to answer, but they are important for us to understand as we delve into this case. Have you raised concerns about safety during test drives to management? How has management responded to your concerns about safety during test drives? Have you received any safety training for test drives? The attorney taking notes, looking serious. It's important to note that when it comes to providing a safe environment for sales staff, it's not just the legal thing to do, it's the right thing to do. Are there any specific routes or areas you avoid during test drives for safety reasons? Have you ever had a close call or accident during a test drive? What protocol is in place in case of an emergency during a test drive? Attorney leaning in, speaking more emphatically. As an attorney, I've seen far too many cases where lives have been lost or ruined because someone didn't take the necessary precautions. It's their responsibility to make sure that employees are able to operate in the safest possible environment. Are there any safety features in the cars that you highlight during test drives? Have there been any incidents during test drives at this dealership? Are there any plans to implement additional safety measures for test drives? Attorney looking at the camera again. Now, I want to talk about the impact that the lack of safety measures during test drives has on customer perceptions of the dealership. It's important for the dealership to prioritize sales staff safety during test drives while still providing excellent customer service. How do you think the lack of safety measures during test drives affects customer perceptions of the dealership? Have you ever felt pressured to complete a test drive despite safety concerns? Dealership owner taking a deep breath, looking away. I know these questions are tough, but it's important that we ask them. As a personal injury lawyer, I'm committed to making sure that everyone stays safe and protected. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to continuing this conversation. If you or anyone you know has been involved in an incident related to a car dealership, please don't hesitate to contact me. Attorney leaving the dealership. Remember, safety should always be a top priority. Is your Salesforce safe? SAFElocator.net